Oh yeah, that's right. Rougi dip. No. Oh man, that was awful. Yeah, I deserve that. Damn it. Well, that sucked. I had to fucking nail that one, and I fucking blew it. Wow. Good job, Colin. 2 out of 3. All I had to do was nail that one, and I was good as fucking gold. Now I, like, really got a race still. I love that map.